Diya Prana. Currently, I'm doing integrated BTech plus MTech in artificial intelligence and machine learning. And currently, I'm in fifth year. Yes, I have survived 5 years in MIT. And with me, my co-host, your campus mantri, that is Shashwat Surya. He's doing same integrated BTech MTech in AIML. Also, we have our whole DXG team. We have event lead, we have graphics team, uh, social media team, and also the tech team. So, because of all this team, this bootcamp has been organized, not just with tech team. So, thank you everyone. Also, let's interact. So, how is your Diwali break going? Just put it in the chat section. कि घर मिठाई और पटाखे आ गए होंगे. Good. Just preparing things. Okay. Wonderful. Got to meet my school friends. That's great, Ronak. बाकी सबने कुछ नहीं किया. Good. Hectic. Okay. Neighbor sent phone papri dabba. As usual. What more we can expect from neighbors? Guys, what team? What? How is your Diwali day going? Within is saying hectic. Excited. Very good. सफाई कर रहा हूँ. और कौन करेगा फिर सफाई? Shopping with mommy. That's great. More responses, yeah.
Hello guys. Let me introduce myself. I'm Shashwat Surya, currently leading as a campus mantri at AUH. So basically, I'm doing my integrated MTech in Ahmed University, Haryana, and I have expertise in AI/ML field basically, and I have done my internships at very good companies like Microsoft and EY, and currently I'm serving in my third year. So yeah, how is the day, guys? So कैसा लग रहा है आज? आप लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो हमसे? एक बार आप लोग सारे चैट बॉट में लिख दो. सो व्हाट यू वांट, क्या आउटपुट चाहिए इस मीटिंग से, क्या सीखने के लिए मिलेगा? आई वांट सम रिस्पॉन्सेज गाइस. ओके. ओके गुड. गाइस सब कोई लिखो, एक बार सब कोई इंटरैक्ट करो. अच्छा, यहाँ पे कौन कौन से कॉलेजेस से बच्चे हैं? कैन यू गाइस मेंशन योर कॉलेज? ओके. जेएसएस यूनिवर्सिटी. ओके. और सारे एक बार लिखो, जो जो डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस से, प्लीज मेंशन. जो आमेट यूनिवर्सिटी हरियाणा से नहीं है. ओके. जेएसएस. ओ नाइस. ओके. भूपेंद्र. वेरी नाइस. आमेटी. और वी गॉट गुड रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कॉलेजेस ऑल्सो. सो अभी तो वो ज्वाइन नहीं किया क्या हम लोगों ने? ओके. ओके. एमआईटी. एमआईटी. I think from different college we only got the response from JSS University, no? Okay. 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 But in registrations we got many registrations from different colleges. So basically, let me introduce one more thing. So what you expect from this bootcamp? You will going to learn different skills basically in the tech domain, and you will going to uplift your skills itself, and telling about something that you never know about. Like you have chosen some different domains, but you don't know what to do further. So we will going to introduce that things also, and we have good challenges for you. On the basis of that challenges, we'll select the top performers, and we'll directly give the chance to go to the Microsoft Noida Hackathon. Basically, we are upcoming with our MS Noida Hackathon, which is on basically 15th November. So we are expecting everyone to participate in this challenges regularly. So the top performers will get directly chance to participate in or shortlisted in the MS Noida. Diyadi, you have to say anything.
Yeah, एक और सब join कर ले तो we can start with the session.
बेसिकली गाइस सारे लोग प्लीज अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलो कि ज्वाइन करे because we got very good response. Why people are not joining? Because of Diwali only, I know. But let's interact, guys. Okay, Bevin, you have any question?
No, no, by mistake.
Oh,
Let's wait for 5 more minutes, then we can start.
yeah, we are waiting for more time.
So, Bhavendra, very nice question. Best way to stay consistent, motivated. Consistent, you just have to mm, take out only 60 minutes, max 60 minutes for the session, and the session would only be long enough for like 40 minutes, not more than that. And also, it would be really fun. We have interactive challenges at the end, so you will be motivated. And also, in the end of the boot camp, you will be building your own project. So, yeah, I hope you got your answer. And Ronak, we don't have a live session, but we have a pre-recorded session, so you can watch it at your own comfort whenever you get the time. And by the end of the day, you have to put the answers for the quiz in the group or the Google form we'll be uploading. So no live session tomorrow. I hope you people got your answer.
And if anyone get any doubt related to anything, you can put the message on the group itself. We have a good, very good team. They will support you and they will clear out your doubts. Okay.
Recorded session, yeah. From tomorrow, you will be having recorded sessions because it's Diwali time, तो हर कोई live session नहीं ले पाएगा. So we have decided it's just pre-recorded so that you can watch it at your own comfort and whenever you get time. But yes, at the end of the day, there will be a quiz deadline at which you have to put your answers in the form so that on the next day you can get your leaderboard. That's all. So no live session, and the live session next live session will be on the last day of the boot camp, that is the eighth day. How to not get distracted? I hope this boot camp would not distract you. It's really fun. You won't get distracted. Go to menti.com. Also, I have shared, Ishneet have shared the link and the QR code on the group. You can join through that also. Or you can just go to menti.com and use this code.
Team, can you send that link also in the chat box so people who are not able to join they can directly catch that? Guys, we put the link so those who are not able to join through the WhatsApp itself, you can may click that link from here itself. Those who are joining now, we have shared the screen. You can see there menti.com. Just put the code there and join the session, or you can just click on the link shared in the chat box and in your groups also. So we'll be starting in just 2 minutes. At 12:30 we'll be starting. Team, you also please join. We have 36 participants and yes, only 29 participation is there on that Mentimeter quiz. It's not related to tech. I'm saying it again. बहुत मजा आएगा. Join करो. Few people are asking me personally that on which basis we will going to select the top performance. So we have two categories basically on the basis of the projects and the consistency. you will you will be able to select on that competition itself, MS Noida Hackathon, shortlisted for the MS Noida Hackathon. So what are the two categories basically? First, you have to make sure that you have done all the tasks that we are giving you related to that, and secondly, you have to be consistent for that projects. Even you are attending the sessions or not, we will taking that attendance also. So please make sure that we will seeing everything on the basis of that parameter itself. We will going to select or shortlist the team for the Microsoft Noida Hackathon. So these are some few points.
I
Yeah,
think
they you can
still,
continue.
still 5 people are left. नहीं, okay, one is still left. भाई कोई एक है जिसने ज्वाइन नहीं किया अभी, ज्वाइन कर लो. देखो बाद में मत बोलना कि यार मिस हो गया.
जिन्होंने ज्वाइन कर लिया एक बार थम्स अप कर दो.
इतनी कंजूसी से थम्स अप कर रहे हो ना भाई.
गाइस आई वांट सब कोई करे.
पता स्क्रीन पे सब विजिबल है कि 2 थम्स अप आ रहे हैं, 1 हार्ट आ रहा है.
Nice.
Good. Okay. So we'll be starting. So welcome everyone. A very warm welcome to everyone for GFG Diwali Break Bootcamp. Code, create and celebrate. I promise it won't be boring. बहुत मजा आएगा. You'll really enjoy this bootcamp. You'll code, you'll have fun, and coding boring नहीं होती है यार. Seriously, it's not boring. Okay, so let's get started. So it will be a 8-day coding bootcamp. So today is the day 1, just the ice breaking and induction. So welcome to an exciting week of learning, building and growing as a developer or as an engineer, you can say anything. And this bootcamp will take you from zero to building real projects at the end of this event. Okay. So just a warm up. Type one word that describes how you are feeling right now. It can be anything, anything. Excited, uh, more excited, sleepy, tired, boring, whatever you are feeling, just in one word, only one word. Describe how you are feeling right now. Okay, excited. Guys, एक वर्ड में आंसर देना है. जल्दी. Amused. Okay. Great. Okay. Eager. Excited. एटलीस्ट सब एक्साइटेड है. कोई किसी ने ये नहीं लिखा बोरिंग. प्लीज लिखना भी मत. हंग्री. भाई नाश्ता करके बैठना था. Interested, ready to learn. Okay. Enthusiastic. More responses, guys, more. We just got 11 response right now. And we have 37 participants. तो ये एक वर्ड में आंसर देना है. Super duper
Guys,
excited.
जल्दी जल्दी.
Okay. Only 12. Type fast.
I want 36 responses.
37. Super excited, interested, super duper, okay. Share. How are you feeling पूछा था. यहाँ तो ओके कोई नहीं. ओके मतलब सब एक्साइटेड है. दैट्स गुड. आई लाइक द एनर्जी. भाई क्वेश्चन ढंग से पढ़ लो. क्या लिख रहे हो. Still we have got 13 response. भाई 37 participants है. एक वर्ड में लिखना है। मैंने ये भी नहीं बोला कि 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है, 10 मार्क्स में आंसर देना है। एक वर्ड। Guys, response. We still have 15 left. यार जल्दी करो तभी हम आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Don't response in chat box. Response in
नहीं,
that
chat
mint.
बॉक्स पे नहीं करना। इन योर मेंटी वाला थिंगी उसी में ही रिस्पॉन्स करना है। Still 14 responses. भाई जल्दी करो यार। मुझे डिस्क्राइब करना था, मैं भी हंग्री ही करती एक्चुअली। 17. Still 20 responses left. ऐसा तो नहीं ना जिसका ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ, सबका ज्वाइन हो गया बिकॉज वी हैव 39 पार्टिसिपेशन बट 21 पार्ट ओनली रिस्पॉन्सेज। यार रिस्पॉन्ड करो। यार it can be anything. You are excited, you are confused, you are sleepy, still you are trying. कोई खुली आंखों से जाग के बैठा हुआ है। somebody is hungry, कुछ भी, whatever you are feeling, nobody is judging you। यहाँ पे नाम भी नहीं दिख रहे किसने क्या लिखा है। hungry for coding, okay, hungry for learning। यार कोई यहाँ फूड ही नहीं है, मतलब किसी ने कोई फूड नहीं लिखा। You got 40 participation, still 23 responses। भाई जल्दी जल्दी रिस्पॉन्ड करो। गाइस जल्दी। या तो जो लिख नहीं रहे ना वो कुछ फील ही नहीं कर रहे थे, जस्ट या वो ऑन करके छोड़ दिया उन्होंने। छोड़ो, रील देखते हैं हम। यू कैन टाइप एनीथिंग, व्हाटएवर। एटलीस्ट दो की तो आँख खुली कि चलो रील छोड़कर एटलीस्ट हम करते हैं। स्टिल ओनली 24 रिस्पॉन्स। नहीं जल्दी जल्दी करो तभी हम नेक्स्ट पे मूव करेंगे। यार मजा आएगा। हम सब भी 2 नहीं किया है। एटलीस्ट हम सब तो 40 दिखा सकते हैं कि ठीक है वी कैन मूव टू नेक्स्ट। ओके, so which domain are you most excited to explore? Web development, AI/ML, data science, competitive learning, or you are still figuring it out? You don't know what field you have to choose.
Guys, I want response for this.
Okay. Web development में तो काफी बच्चे हैं यार। AI/ML भी, okay. Data science, good. Still figuring out. No issues. Competitive learning, okay. That's good, that's good. 20 वेब डेवलपमेंट डेटा साइंस कितना प्यारा लग रहा है, सिर्फ फ्लावर बन रहा है।
Even data science.
रिस्पॉन्स करो। अभी भी 20 बच्चे ऐसे बैठे जिन्होंने रिस्पॉन्स नहीं किया है। चले आगे। आई थिंक AI/ML में सबसे ज्यादा है। ओके, आई होप आई कैन गेट 41 पार्टिसिपेशन इन दिस। बस नाम लिखना है अपना, अपना ईयर लिखना है और अपना कोर्स लिखना है बस, और कुछ भी नहीं। और इमोजी जो आज तुम्हें डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, लाइक हाउ यू आर फीलिंग दैट इमोजी। Just your name, your year, your course. You can also add your university also, no issues. And A emoji that describes you today. Team, please respond. Krish BC, okay. Your emoji describes you're super excited. Ronak, first year CSC. Core, you are angry. Oh. Ishneet BSc, okay, she's excited. Misbah Anjum, second year AIBL branch. Arnav, second year. Panya Gupta, first year. BTech CSC. Vivin Sharma, 2025 BCA honors. Okay. पुष्कर फर्स्ट ईयर बीटेक डीएस. यार इमोजी भी बोला था मैंने. नेम आयशा रहमान, सेकंड ईयर बीटेक कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग. दैट्स ग्रेट. ओके, एटलीस्ट यहाँ रिस्पॉन्स आए. और ये क्राइंग इमोजी. यार मैं बोर कर रही हूँ क्या? आई होप इट्स नॉट बोरिंग. श्रेया थर्ड ईयर. ओके. मेघांशी बीटेक सीएससी सेकंड ईयर. ओके, तो मतलब फर्स्ट सेकंड ईयर मिक्स है. सार्थक जैन सेकंड ईयर बीकॉम. न्योनिका बीएससी. फैज अगालिया. ओके. सुबीर भूपेंद्र. या किसी का नाम मिस हो गया, हम रियली सॉरी. वो एकदम से आ रहे हैं तो आई होप मैंने सबका नाम ले लिया. यार इसमें तो रिस्पॉन्स कर दो, अभी भी 19 रिस्पॉन्स है. भाई क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो मांगा ही नहीं मैंने, सिर्फ तुम्हारा नाम कोर्स ईयर पूछा है और एक इमोजी बस. रविंद्र फर्स्ट ईयर बीटेक आईएमएल. ओके, फर्स्ट ईयर. So we have first and second year students. Great. Uday BCA second year. Akshra second year. गाइस रिस्पॉन्स कर दो यार. अच्छा नहीं लग रहा अकेली मैं बोल रही हूँ, कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं दीवार में सर मार रही हूँ अपना. ध्रुव सेकेंड ईयर CSC. ओके. Rajan first year BTech biomedical engineering. Cause it's funny out here. Okay. Dhruv second year. So let's move to next. Okay. If coding were a Diwali sweet, which one would it be? I hope इसका आंसर तो सब जल्दी दे देंगे. What you feel? Let's see कि कैसा पाए बनता है ये. So it's gulab jamun, soft and sweet when your code runs perfectly. Jalebi, twisted and tricky after debugging. Rasgulla, simple but satisfying. Small wins matter. Kaju Katli, my favorite. Elite and rare. Perfectly written code. Okay. Let's see. So we are getting responses more for Kaju Katli. That's good. Got 13 responses. 6 for Rasgulla, 5 for Jalebi, and 8 for Gulab Jamun. Yes. Let's move to next. So what's the first word that comes to your mind when you hear coding? Just a word. जैसे तुम लोग कोडिंग सुनते हो क्या? Oh, bugs. Really bugs. Okay, that's good. I like the answer. इतना quick answer था ये. Bugs. Interesting. Hacker. Okay. Hello world. Typing. Interesting. Typing. Executed successfully. That's good. Executed successfully. The most favorite part of coding. Boredom. Perfection. Hacking. Error 404. Sad emoji. Some typing errors. Okay. That's great. Mathematics. Yaar. Coding. Yaar. It's not that boring. Always error. Okay. Okay. Error. So mostly I can see is error and bugs. Syntax error. सबको कोडिंग के नाम पे एरर ही याद आता है. ऐसा नहीं है. परफेक्शन. यार ये यार वाले कौन है यार? Hacking. Okay. Dumb ways to die. Oh. Typing. Aura. Yay, aura. That's good. Designing. Mental health. Interesting. Okay. चलो. So I hope सब जाग गए हैं. Warm up हो गया सबका. And it's going to be fun. So ready to explore the boot camp? Now I would like to call our campus mantri Shashwat Surya for continuation of the boot camp. So he'll be guiding you through the 8 days, what all things will happen from day 1 to day 8. So over to you, Shashwat.
So let's get started with our boot camp session. Let me introduce the things that in the boot camp. So first, let me introduce your week at a glance. So what the first day gives you a kickoff where you will meet our mentors and few fellow coders. Then our in the day 2 to 3, there is a foundation bridge basically which explores the different tech domains where we're going to explore the different tech domains related to the AI, ML, data science, cloud, web dev, different domains, and set up your workspace. We will tell you how to set up the workspace when while making any project. So this is one of the major things that people are facing problem in first and second year itself. Then in day 4 to 5, what we will planning for learning Python. We will going to tell you the Python basics, and also we will give you some first code art. So we will give you the projects related to the Python itself, which is very interesting. Then into the day 6 to 7, we will apply a comfort where you will going to build a real world project and test your skills on the basis of that. And on the day 8, we will showcase your achievements, and we will tell about the what are the top performers or and all. So moving towards the next slide. So let me introduce about the first one, a day one basically. So in the day one, what we are covering here, so which is basically leads to be as a boot camp induction and the icebreaker session, where we will going to experience some war media leads, connects with your fellow participants, get familiar with the GFG portal and the learning platform. We will going to let you know about these things also, and participates in fun and interactive activities. Okay, and understand what to expect throughout the week. So these are some things we will going to cover in today's session. So for pro tip is where come ready to introduce yourself and share what excites you most about coding. This is basically a very fun activity we are coming with up. So we will seeing that on the basis of that who those who are participating, on the basis of that we will check their consistency. So yeah, so on the second day to the third, what we are doing, so this is very interesting days. So first we are going to do in setting your foundation, wherein on the 20th of October, pre-recorded lectures are there where we are going to discover the different domains. We will introduce the different type of domains, what are the domains in the tech field itself, and we'll tell you about which domain does what, and we'll tell about the scope of these domains in the corporate world itself. So these are some points we will covering in the day 2 session. Then in day third, the basic or major problems for the first and second year people and students are VS Code plus GitHub setup. Many of you guys are not able to set up how VS Code while making any projects itself. And the second thing is the GitHub setup, because if you are making any project, you have to showcase your project on the GitHub repository. So these are something will tell you how to set up the GitHub, how to set up the VS Code, how to mention things on VS Code, how to install libraries in VS Code. So these are some things we will going to introduce in day 2 to day 3. Moving towards further. Yeah. So on day 4, what we will going to start with, getting started with Python. So as you know, Python is a language or a programming language. Today, it leading as a programming language in different domains, many domains, like in AI, email, in a data science, in the web development also. So these are something like people are often to study about these matlab this language even. So what we are doing on this day, so basically we will getting started with the Python. We will going to cover the basics of Python. Okay, we'll tell you the some libraries of the Python. What are the library basic libraries which you can use for the making projects itself. So these are something that we will going to cover in Python also, and we will tell you the practical examples how we will going to use that Python itself by giving the practical example or real world solution we will approach. So this is our day 4, and moving towards day 5, very interesting day 5 challenge, as this is our Diwali bootcamp session. On the week of the Diwali bootcamp, we will keeping a small challenge for you guys, which is basically a code rangoli challenge, where you will going to create a beautiful rangoli on the date on basis of that by using Python language. Okay, so you will going to use the Python language and the turtle graphics where the libraries are using in Python itself, where you're going to create a beautiful rangoli on the basis of that. So this is the very good challenge. You all don't miss that this challenge. This is very good. So, and moving towards the further on. So yeah, on the day 6, what we will covering, build your first mini project. As you guys, I think basically belongs to the first and second year. So many of you guys often think कि हमारे पास कोई ढंग का project नहीं है. Okay, and how हमें अभी internships periods आएंगे हमारे पास then second year में, but we don't have any project to add in our resume. So we will going to guide you to make any mini project, okay, related to the different domains. So starting with that, this is also a pre-recorded session. On the first, choose your project. The first step of that, you have to first choose your project. Then second is plan and structure. Okay, so what you want to do, first you have chosen your project. Second, what you will do, you have to plan about that project, that how you will going to make that project, how you will execute that project. So this is the planning and the architecting phase of the making project itself. Then third phase is a codes and debug. So the major thing of any project is coding and the debugging. While you making any project, first you code, then you find some error, so you will going to debug that. So these are also a very good phase that you have. You in this phase only you will going to learn a major things about programming language, about setup, what we are going to telling you na in the previous one. So you will going to actually executing that things in this third one. So this is a very good thing. Then on the fourth, version control. So this is also a very good thing that we're going to cover, that what how to control your versions, like GitHub ho gaya, save your work to the GitHub. This is also how we will telling you how to set up a GitHub, how to save your project into the GitHub repo. So these are something we will covering. And on the fifth of that, refine and polish. If you're making any projects, there's many debug. You have clear that debug, and you have to refine that project. Like आपने एक project बना लिया, ऐसा नहीं है कि आप उस project के साथ consistent रहोगे. You will change that project accordingly or update that project accordingly. So these are something a phase which is called as refine and polish phase, where you will going to find giving the final touches of the project. Like if you're having a project of web development, so you are giving the final touches of like our UI UX things and the front end thing. So these are something like you are giving the final touches, how it will look, how we will going to present that. So these are something that comes under the refine and polish phase. So moving towards our day 7, which is basically a mini codeathon competition. Okay, so basically, in this, you will going to cover some put your skills to the test. So this thing will going to cover by the Dia. Dia, can you please cover this day 7 wala part?
Yeah, in day 7 there will be a small competition, like basic questions related to Python or what they have learned in last 6 days or 7 days about AIML, web development, and data science. Basic questions like uh, We can test it on Geeks for Geeks Code Arena also, and some other platform also. So it's just a coding competition from basic to थोड़ा सा difficult level. It won't be tough. बहुत easy coding questions रहेंगे. Just coding questions, not that. इतना नहीं होगा बस.
Okay. So the all of you clear about this day 7 wala part. Moving toward to the day 8. Can we move toward? Yeah. On the day 8 is the final day of our ending phase. Basically, we will going to announce our winners or top performers of that. We will provide the goodies for them, those who are top performers. Even a participation certificate will get to all of you who are participating in this competition. And even there is a, I already told you in beginning itself that a top performer will get a chance to visit MS Noida hackathon directly. Basically, what we are doing in hackathon, there are two phases. Okay, there is an online phase and the offline phase. On the basis of the online phase, we will going to select or shortlist some people for the offline phase. Okay, because there are limited seats in offline. But in this, what we are doing, people who are perform well in this boot camp will directly shortlist for the offline phase itself. So this is the agenda of the Noida hackathon, Microsoft Noida hackathon. So, and very interesting. People you are from first year and second year, you have to explore that the corporate world. So this is a good thing that you will going to achieve. Then your coding journey starts from here. So yeah, from here itself Dia will going to continue. And thank you so much for joining, those who are joining for today itself. And yeah, very nice. Thank you guys. If anyone has any doubt related to the boot camp, 8 days boot camp, you can put a message or drop a message on the chat board, so our team will clear it out. Okay.
Hope boot camp 7 days, 8 days is
That's
clear.
Sampriya. Any doubt?
Yeah, actually, I joined late, so just wanted to ask from when are you starting the boot camp?
So from today itself, the boot camp is started. You didn't join the group.
No, which group? I don't think so. I got
Okay,
any
okay.
message regarding this.
Okay, my team will contact you. Neonica, please contact
Okay.
her. Please drop a message to the Neonica or me. We'll forward your message to them. Okay.
Okay. Moreover, I have just found out that I won't be available during these days, like from 22nd onwards.
Hmm.
So,
So
is there
that's
any
why
way
we
I can?
having recorded lectures for you guys. Because from 22nd to 23rd, people are often busy in different things. So we are doing, we are pre-recorded that lecture, and whenever you're free you can see that lecture, and you have to complete that task accordingly. Basically you have to complete that task on the time period. We will give you the time period. उस पीरियड के अंदर अंदर आपको टास्क कंप्लीट करके देना होगा. So that's the agenda of the boot camp. So this is the basic boot camp.
Same lies for the mini project as well. I can do it afterwards, or
Yeah,
it's
हाँ,
like on
उसका
the
एक टाइम
spot
पीरियड
competition.
होगा. विल गिव यू द टाइम पीरियड. उसी वो मिनी प्रोजेक्ट वाला जो होगा आपका, क्या बोलते हैं, उसका आपको एक टाइम पीरियड मिलेगा. उस टाइम पीरियड तक आपको सबमिट करना होगा वो प्रोजेक्ट.
Okay, okay. ठीक.
एनी अदर डाउट? किसी को कुछ और डाउट हो?
Thank you.
ओके गाइस, यू कैन आस्क इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट. और किसी को डाउट नहीं है तो एक बार थम्स अप दिखा दो, फिर सब क्लियर है तो. ओके, नाइस. I want all of you please response. Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay.
Shashwat, chat box में we have doubts.
Okay.
Here.
see guys, there is no any recommended routine as far. You can approach if you have to strong the coding, मतलब you have to go in the field of coding or programming phase. तो उसमें आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to learn these things from scratch itself, like starting with the basic thing, like the syntax, semantics. Then you have to चीजें आपको क्लियर करके चलनी चाहिए. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरा जो मानना है कि फोकस ऑन वन लैंग्वेज रादर फोकसिंग ऑन मेनी लैंग्वेजेस. ठीक है, एक लैंग्वेजेस पे फोकस करो. इफ यू आर क्लियर इट आउट विद द ओनली वन लैंग्वेज, यू विल एबल टू सॉल्व एनी लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज बस सिंटेक्स एंड सिमेंटिक्स के डिफरेंस होता है. मोर और फार सारे लैंग्वेजेस एक ही जैसे होते हैं. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग. ठीक है, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोग्रामिंग, प्रोसीजरल प्रोग्रामिंग एंड ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड. So I'm talking about the object oriented programming. And if you want कि आपको एक रोड मैप चाहिए कि हाँ हमें कैसे कोडिंग करना है from beginning level, we have a Geek for Geek portal. Our team will send you the link on the group about जो languages है, and you can join that. It is free of cost, and you can continue learning for the programming language itself. We have different languages, Python, Java, then C++. We have many options in Geeks for Geeks portal. You may join that and start learning that from that itself. So any other doubt? So if anyone makes more sense, like okay, Bhuppi. So any other doubt, guys? So we'll continue with the quiz. एक बार थम्स अप कर दो इफ डाउट नहीं है फिर से. आई वांट जितने भी यहाँ पे सब कोई एक बार क्लियर कर दे, थम्स अप कर दे. सो हाँ, टीम प्लीज टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ द पीपल हु आर प्रेजेंट टुडे इटसेल्फ. सो वो चीज ध्यान में रहे. ओके दिया, यू कैन कंटिन्यू नाउ.
So I hope कि 8 days समझ आ गए सबको. और किसी को कोई भी डाउट या क्वेरी हो, यू कैन आस्क इट ऑन द ग्रुप ऑल्सो. ऐसा नहीं वी आर नॉट अवेलेबल, आवर टीम इज अवेलेबल. तो कभी भी कोई भी डाउट हो, लाइक सेकेंड डे, थर्ड डे, फॉर एनीथिंग, यू कैन आस्क इट ऑन द ग्रुप. ठीक है, तो लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. So let's go for, I think there's some, Shashwat, we have a doubt in chat box. एक बार वो clear कर लो. I think one doubt is there.
See guys, from my suggestion, I don't think आप लोगों को पहले choose करना पड़ेगा domain. In which domain you are interesting. Study coding. Vanya, can you tell me your domain? आप किस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हो इन फ्यूचर, और कौन सा इंटरेस्टिंग डोमेन है आपका?
Actually, I'm not very much clear about it as of now, but I have selected CSE core branch.
Okay. So in which year you are in?
First year.
Okay, so in first year my suggestion is that go with C. Okay, if you matlab learn C na, it's better for you because C is a basic language. Okay, if मतलब वो आप लोग, हमने भी अपने फर्स्ट ईयर में C से ही स्टार्ट किया था. सो चीजें क्या थी कि C से क्या होता है ना, चीजें बहुत मतलब हमने जब C सीखा था तो मोस्टली सारे लैंग्वेजेस का जो एजेंडा है, जो वर्किंग है, प्रिंसिपल है, वो सिमिलर रहता है more or less when we are talking about procedural. ठीक है, and if you are talking about the object oriented languages, then I will suggest you go with Python. ठीक है, it user friendly itself और उसका syntax भी easy है, and more or less उसमें ज्यादा कोडिंग भी मतलब ज्यादा कोडिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. there are many libraries for that, so go with the Python if you are interested.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Any other doubt?
Yeah, Amruta has a doubt that she's asking, do we need any specific software or apps to study coding?
Guys, I don't think there is any specific software or app you have मतलब कि आपको कोडिंग के लिए करना है. So on which perspective, practicing coding और क्या, learning coding, किस perspective में पूछ रहे हो आप? Specific software, practicing coding और learning coding? Learning ना. So I will suggest you, there are, देखो मतलब देयर आर मेनी, आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि मैंने अपने समय में जो भी पाइथन पढ़ा है, मैंने मल्टीपल सॉफ्टवेयर्स और एप्स यूज किया है, ठीक है. तो यू कैन ऑल्सो अप्रोच मल्टीपल थिंग्स, बिकॉज अभी के लिए मतलब जैसे मैंने देखा पाइथन या कोई भी लैंग्वेजेस में ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक सॉफ्टवेयर और ऐप ऐसा है नहीं जो पूरा लैंग्वेज को क्लियर आउट कर दे, ठीक है. मतलब आपको डिफरेंट साइट्स और सॉफ्टवेयर और एप्स पे जाना पड़ेगा फॉर अप्रोचिंग एनी लैंग्वेज, और आपको उसमें इफ अच्छा करना है तो देयर इज नो स्पेसिफिक सॉफ्टवेयर. और
Sorry to interrupt, but
हम्म,
there are many students in the team, they don't know Hindi. So, I'm sorry to interrupt.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके ओके.
नेटवर्क
I
इशू आ
don't
रहा
know
है
about.
थोड़ा.
Okay. So I'm saying that ki, there is no any specific software or app for learning um, any coding language. If you want, you can start with Geeks for Geeks portal itself. They have a very refined contents on their channel itself, and even they will take live sessions, which is free of cost. You can ask the doubts there. You can clear it out. Your doubts, even they will teach you in live sessions itself, and which is free of cost. Many of guys aware about nation skill program जो geeks for geeks दे रहा है. Amrita, you know about the nation skill program. हाँ, विल डू दैट इन एंड. एक बार हम क्विज कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. पहले हम क्विज कंप्लीट कर देते हैं, फिर जिनका भी डाउट्स है वी विल क्लियर इट आउट, ठीक है. पहले हम क्विज बिगिन कर देते हैं. तो दिया प्लीज बिगिन विद क्विज फर्स्ट.
So there are very simple rule. पहले तो सब लॉगिन कर लो. ये फास्टेस्ट फिंगर फर्स्ट जैसा है. जैसे जो जितनी जल्दी आंसर क्लिक करेगा वो लीडर बोर्ड पर उतना ऊपर आता जाएगा, ठीक है. तो जस्ट थिंक एज फास्ट एज यू कैन एंड क्लिक. गलत आंसर मत देना, थोड़ा टाइम ले लेना, बट ट्राई कि आप सही आंसर दो. एंड बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन है, बहुत. इट्स जस्ट हाउ यू आर सर्वाइविंग इन द कॉलेज. नो टेकी क्वेश्चन, नो नथिंग रिलेटेड टू योर स्टडीज और एकेडमिक्स. बहुत बेसिक है, ठीक है. So just scan the code for the quiz and this code. Four players are ready. So you have 24 thumbs up. What's the most important command? Commit, am done, sleep, order Maggie, attend late. Answer fast, guys. Okay. Answer for order Maggie. Anyways, ज़्यादा अच्छा था यार. Only two correct answers.
Why leaderboard is not updated? I think end में होगा.
Rajan is eating fast. I hope you like some thumbs up, thumbs up. What's the first thing you learn is time management, find fish, assignment I never had, or how to see the latest idea. इसका क्या आंसर है? तो यही आंसर आएगा. Second phase, Rajan is leading. What a valid activity, Instagram reels or what a valid Rajasthan eating. Most excellent college football. Easy to bed early to bed, early to rise. Not smart, not smart. To get the temporary college. Evidence is temporary. काफी चेंज आया लीडर बोर्ड में आज टेस्ट वाज रौनक last two questions are left. How do you handle this project? Water book yourself, wait for the different panic, with the group, wait for the red light. And now he is leading the leaderboard. Last question is left. Who will be our top winner? Last question. What's the ultimate college? Keep eat quickly, attend physical, अभी बात करेंगे. Comment. Okay. Next one. Please, it's the winner. That's it. Well done to the winner. So just a second. That is done. These in Rajan, Sampriya, Jung, well done to the winner. So, in just one word, how was the session? In one word, be honest. Boring था, awesome था, अच्छा था. How was it? Best, okay. Energetic, amazing. Guys, इसका response तो कर दो यार. ऐसे तो मत करो.
I
Super
want some
interesting.
response करो guys.
Super. भाई ऐसा वर्ड लिखो जो बंदा पढ़ भी पाए. Excellent, super interesting, best, nice, sleepyhead, okay,
Only 15 responses till now.
good. Once more, okay. जब live next time होगा तो we'll conduct this quiz again for sure. Super interesting. I hope चलो नहीं भी दे रहे आंसर. I hope you enjoyed. किसी को बोरिंग नहीं लगा कि यार 1 घंटे का सेशन है दिवाली ब्रेक में क्यों. आई होप यू ऑल एंजॉयड एंड आई होप मैंने किसी की हॉलीडे रूइन नहीं की. सबको मजा ही आया होगा. अब तुम जाके सब पटाखे फोड़ सकते हो और मिठाई खा सकते हो.
Yes.
काजू कतली.
I want all of your response.
हाँ 46 बच्चे बैठे 30 रिस्पॉन्स दे
हाँ.
रहे हो. कुछ तो एक्साइटमेंट शो करो. चलो बोरिंग भी था बोरिंग लिख दो.
हाँ.
कोई बात नहीं मैं बुरा नहीं मानती. टीम भी नहीं मानेगी बुरा. विल इम्प्रूव नेक्स्ट टाइम कि हाँ ये चीज में कमी थी तो विल इम्प्रूव.
शॉपिंग कर रहा हूँ. Very nice.
Good. And thank you for joining on Diwali break. Really thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay. Super interesting. Shopping करो rewards for the runner up. बिल्कुल runner up को rewards मिलेंगे. Entertaining, so fun, best. Okay. So I hope you all enjoyed the event. This was day 1 and from tomorrow it would be super exciting. आप बहुत कुछ सीखोगे. At the end you will learn how to build your own project. आप GitHub पे डालोगे. मतलब बहुत मजा आएगा. बोरिंग नहीं जाएगा कोई भी सेशन. It's really fun. पूरी टीम ने बहुत मेहनत करी है. They're really working hard from past few days. So yes,
Exactly.
I guarantee you it won't be boring. So from tomorrow it would be pre-recorded रहेगा. तो अपनी कंफर्ट पे देखो अपने टाइम से देखो. बस एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो ग्रुप पर फॉर्म आए उसके आंसर्स प्लीज सबमिट कर देना सो दैट जो भी फास्टेस्ट करेगा जिसके भी आंसर सही होंगे next day they'll be get posted on the stories of GFG and don't forget to follow GFG AUH on Instagram page.
Please team, can you put our Instagram page on this chat box?
Okay.
And guys, दिवाली ब्रेक में आप कुछ ना कुछ तो अच्छा सीख के जाओगे यहाँ से.
Tomorrow day 2 उससे पहले I would like to say to Shashwat, please have that closing words and then we can wrap it up.
First of all, thank you so much, guys, for joining this session or our first session of our boot camp. And we'll continue with a tomorrow session. And if you have any doubt related to anything, you feel free to ask our team. You can put your queries related to that on the WhatsApp group. We have a query related group also. So if you have any related to that, if you having any doubts related to the internships, any domain or tech field, you may free to ask here and we'll support you 100%. And secondly, please participate in this and give your 100% for this boot camp. Yeah, thank you so much. And our team has done put very great efforts. Thank you so much, team. Jo worker, especially our event planning team, then PR team, our social media team, graphics teams. So even our tech team, they have put a very great efforts. So thank you so much, guys, for joining for the today's session. We'll continue with the tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Tomorrow there will be pre-recorded session, no live session tomorrow. You can watch it at your.
And happy Diwali in advance,
and happy
guys.
Diwali. Thank you for joining in today and hope you enjoyed. If you want to put your feedback or anything, you can put it on the group. And thank you so much. Enjoy your Diwali break. Have fun and happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali.
Take care. Bye-bye.